Now let's talk about silver, the shiny, precious metal. If you're in the market for silver, be prepared to pay more because prices are on fire. Globally, silver has touched record highs. It is trading at $52.5 for an ounce. 1 ounce is around 30 grams and $52 is around 4,500 Indian rupees. So 1 kilo of silver will cost you almost 150,000 rupees, 1,50,000 rupees. And in India, it's even more expensive because here traders are charging a premium, a markup of 10%. So jewelers are struggling, manufacturers are scrambling to secure supplies, and investors, well, they are rushing in, hoping to ride the momentum behind the metal. But what is driving this bull run of silver? A shortage. Silver is in short supply worldwide. Production cannot keep up with demand. And why is that? Because silver cannot simply be extracted. It is a byproduct. It comes from mining other metals like zinc, copper, and lead. So traders cannot simply ramp up silver production. At the same time, the demand keeps climbing up. More industries now need silver, especially to make electronic products, things like solar panels and electronics. Investors too are buying more silver. In fact, look at this headline. This is about a mutual fund which invests in silver, the Tata Silver ETF Fund of Funds. It has suspended fresh investment in the fund. So new investors cannot enter, no new lump sum investments, no new SIPs. And SIP is the most common way to invest in mutual funds. It stands for Systematic Investment Plan, SIP. Once you sign up for an SIP, every week or every month, whatever you've signed up for, the same amount is deducted from your account. It is invested in your name, hence the term Systematic Investment Plan. Now, if you have an existing SIP in the silver fund, it will continue, but you cannot make a new investment. And the reason remains the same, the surge in silver prices. Fund managers are unable to find the right price. You see, in such mutual funds, managers have to back investor money with real physical silver. But right now, the metal is either unavailable or just too expensive. So they have suspended new investments. And it will remain suspended until the demand cools down. Like I said, this is a global shortage. But India in particular is facing the brunt of it because India imports more than 80% of its silver. And due to the current shortage, imports have dropped significantly. In the first 8 months of 2025, silver imports dropped by 42%. So expect the prices to remain high until supply catches up with demand. And that may take some time. Because even the world's biggest financial centers are seeing silver supplies dry up. Traders are airlifting silver from New York to London, which is a rare and costly move. Usually traders do this for gold. But now silver shipments are being airlifted because there isn't enough in the global markets. So even if Indian suppliers are willing to pay a premium, they might struggle to source more. And the timing couldn't have been worse. The festive season is underway here in India. This is usually the time when people buy precious metals in large numbers. These purchases are considered auspicious. But given the shortage, jewelers are cutting back on supply. There's also a shortage of festive coins and bars. These are often exchanged as gifts during festivals. Reports say dealers are defaulting on e-commerce platforms like Amazon. So the obvious question is, where does silver go from here? Will the prices keep rising? Unless global supply improves or the demand slows down, prices could keep rising. And for India, the situation is delicate. Silver imports are low, the demand is high, the festive season is adding pressure. So for those who already have some silver, it is best to hold on to it. And for those who are planning to buy, the shine is slipping out of reach.
Want the facts?
The latest developments?
News that gets straight to the point.
Well, we've got all three just for you. This is Firstpost Live, a brand new show, your window into what really matters.
Don't miss it.